Can you imagine? Does the real-life version of the Sky City really exist? This is Fanjing Mountain in Guizhou province, where the mountain is shrouded in clouds and mist all year round, and the stone peaks rise from the ground. And today I will take China's slowest train, cost me only $2 to explore this magic place. Morning is 6 a.m. in the morning, and today I will take the slow train to the Tongren city to experience the real version of the Sky City. I paid 12 bucks, about $2. This must be the cheapest train I've ever taken. It shows it's the public benefit slow train. What's the meaning of this? It's quite clean, like the bullet train. It doesn't look like a slow train.
这是内地。
这个熟的吗？
哦，这是内地。
熟的。
哦，熟的。现在你摸它已经是内地。
啊，这个多少钱一斤呢？
这个没事。
12。哦。我可以来半斤吗？
这都是超级，这是小白，5块钱算了。
你不帮我称一下吗？这一些7块钱。本来他说5块钱，结果他给我称了一下，变成了7块。The train has turned into a moving market. The aisles filled with vegetables, fruits, and even live fish. There are even some fish. The blueberry. 苦瓜。看着挺重的啊。
很轻呀。
很轻。
才80几斤。
才80几斤，很轻。你拍一下吗？ That lady said they take this train to Tongren City to sell the vegetables every day. I learned from the staff that this is the slow train with an average speed of only 40 kilometers per hour. Local farmers take this train to Tongren City every day to sell fresh vegetables and fruits. It takes only 1 hour to get there, and the highest ticket is only $3. So this is definitely the most affordable transportation. Since they are the elderly people and middle-aged people, so they don't know how to buy the tickets online, and most of them get on the train to buy the tickets by paying cash. In order to facilitate the farmers, the train was specifically modified. Several rows of seats were removed and used for placing agricultural products in each carriage. I took this train from Hunan province and to Tongren city, which is in the Guizhou province. So they have to take this train to across the province to sell vegetables, fruits every day. I've arrived in Tongren city. I have to wait for these farmers to get off the train first. I've arrived in the Tongren railway station, and now I have to take another bus to the Fanjing Mountain, the real version of the Sky City. That is the railway station, and I have to go to there, the bus station. My first impression of Guizhou province is that there are a lot of mountains. You see, these buildings are surrounded by these mountains. This is my ticket, 35 yuan. I took 1 hour to here, the Fanjing Mountain, and now I'm going to find a place to store my luggage. This is my room. I paid about 120 yuan, $16. I'm very satisfied with this room, and this is the cheapest hotel I booked in this village. But this room hasn't been cleaned yet, but anyway, I will put my luggage and bags here first. 有一只小狗狗。看你有点累。哇哇哇 ！Oh, you're so cute. 哇哇。
他们叫什么名字？
This is my lunch. 20 RMB, about $2.6. Looks delicious. I have to go to the sightseeing bus station to take the shuttle bus, where it's 180 meters from the entrance. I must have to buy the sightseeing bus because there is about 10 kilometers away to that mountain. So there is no walk passageway for travelers. I don't know why I feel uncomfortable. The car is shaking very badly. There are too many circles. I feel kind of dizzy.
好多人不行，大人都。
I want to throw up. I need to take some rest. I feel better now. I was planning to spend 4 to 6 hours to go hiking to the top of the mountain, but I don't think I have enough time and energy to do that. So now I'm going to take that cable car. My partner is very afraid of heights. Taking the cable car is a torture for him, but he's very strong and wants to take some beautiful videos.
他在动。
他当然在动，他不动你会更害怕吧？耳鸣了。The cable car cost me 7 RMB. I think it's really worth it because the vertical drop is about 1.2 thousand meters. Can you believe that it's 2 p.m. in the afternoon, but I couldn't see any sunshine here. It's so cool. You see, I feel like I'm in heaven. I couldn't see anything. It provides the free vinegar tea. It's great. Look at that! Doesn't it look like the Monkey King's hat? Sun Wukong's hat. It is that after the Sun Wukong became the Buddha, he lived here to protect the people and animals here. The world's highest tower is Dubai Khalifa Tower. It's 800 meters, and this mountain is 3 times higher than that. Wow, I feel so close to that clouds. I would like to climb that one, but I have to make an appointment and I have to wait like at least 30 minutes because the capacity is limited, so I have to wait here. I've been stuck here for an hour. Finally, it's moving. Oh, this part I have to hold this steel rope. It's almost a 90 degrees vertical drop. Every time only one person can get through this walk passageway. Look how high it is. If you're afraid of height, don't look down. The water keep dripping out. Let's go to the gateway of the heaven. The altitude here is 2336 meters here, and many people are taking photos.
Wow, it's so beautiful, so nice. You can do it.
The road down the mountain is surrounded by clouds and mist, and the end is not visible. It is very steep, but everyone is very happy and excitedly singing while going down. It's so cold and windy here. If I stay here overnight, I would die. And you don't have to worry about that. You will be left here if you stay late, because I saw that working staff check every spot to make sure no one is left. I'm going back and I can get a free souvenir. Oh, 谢谢. A bookmark. I'm going down hills now.
Holy shit.